We will tell you the 16 good money habits that will make you rich. The last habit is very crucial, so watch this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Establish a financial plan. Take a moment to carefully detail your monthly income and expenditures. This approach will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of your financial landscape, allowing you to pinpoint superfluous expenditures and redirect funds towards savings or debt reduction, ultimately easing the burden of your financial commitments. A financial plan or a budget is the ultimate savior of your finances. If you can maintain it, you will become financially successful. Also, following a budget is crucial. Number 2. Review your bank account. Consistently monitoring your bank account is essential for managing your expenses effectively and identifying any unauthorized transactions promptly. Addressing unexpected fees or transactions promptly can prevent them from escalating into larger financial challenges, providing you with much-needed relief. Keeping a look into your bank account will also allow you to identify any bank fees payment and will help you to budget your money properly. If you want to know more financial habits to get rich, then subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. Number 3. Implement a system for automated savings. Establishing an automatic transfer to your savings account is a strategic approach to building your emergency fund effortlessly over time. Begin with modest contributions. Even setting aside a small amount each week can accumulate over time and create a safety net that helps mitigate financial anxiety down the road. In case of emergencies, you won't need to take any loans to pay for it, thus keeping you on track of financial greatness. Number 4. Evaluate your subscriptions. Consider reviewing and canceling any subscriptions that you no longer use or need. Implementing this strategy can result in immediate monthly savings, allowing you to allocate funds more effectively towards your future financial objectives. Reports say that over 55% of individuals don't look into their subscriptions, and thus the charges gets deducted on a recurring basis. Number 5. Establish financial objectives. Documenting your financial objectives can act as a guiding framework for your expenditure and savings practices. Having a structured plan brings a sense of relief, as each dollar you save contributes to your journey towards significant financial milestones. Number 6. Arrange your bills. By systematically organizing your bills and establishing reminders for their due dates, you can effectively prevent late fees and additional interest charges from accruing. This approach enhances your financial stability and reduces anxiety related to payment deadlines. Consider establishing an organized filing system by scanning and uploading your bills, managing your mail efficiently, or shredding any unnecessary documents. Number 7. Monitor your expenditures. Consider utilizing a spending tracker app to effectively categorize your daily expenses. Being mindful of your financial habits can guide you towards more informed spending choices, which may result in substantial savings each month. It may be beneficial to utilize a pen and paper for tracking your expenses throughout the day if that method suits you better. You can then input all of your expenses into a tracking app or spreadsheet at the end of the day for a comprehensive overview. Tracking your money would hardly take about 5 to 10 minutes, but will lead you a step towards your financial success. Dedicate your mind and yourself towards your financial goal and start preparing a record of your financial gains and financial expenses. Number 8. Engage in discussions to adjust a bill. Consider dedicating a few minutes to reach out to a service provider in order to discuss the possibility of securing a more favorable deal or reduced rate. This step could lead to an immediate reduction in your monthly expenses, thereby enhancing your cash flow situation. When negotiating a bill, consider requesting a lower rate, adjusting the due date, or securing additional benefits at no extra cost. Number 9. Evaluate pricing options or consider price matching. Prior to committing to a significant expenditure, it is prudent to invest some time in comparing prices among various retailers. Numerous retailers provide the option to match prices if you discover a lower price at another location. This can lead to instant savings and ensure you secure the most advantageous deal possible. Number 10. Strategically organize your meal preparation. Strategically planning your meals can effectively mitigate impulsive purchases and decrease expenditures on costly last-minute dining options or takeout services. This strategy not only reduces immediate expenses but also fosters a long-term habit of home cooking, which can lead to greater savings over time. While it may require some investment of time, developing a structured plan can serve as a comprehensive guide for your meals. This approach effectively alleviates the mental burden associated with meal selection and dinner preparation, allowing you to streamline your daily responsibilities. Number 11. Establish automatic payments. Utilizing autopay ensures that your bills are settled promptly, helping you avoid late fees and minimizing the risk of service disruptions. This offers reassurance and alleviates concerns regarding possible penalties. Setting this up is quick and straightforward. However, it's crucial to ensure that the funds will be accessible to prevent any potential complications, such as incurring debt. Number 12. Evaluate your insurance policies. Reviewing your insurance policies to ensure you are neither overinsured or underinsured can lead to significant savings on your premiums. This adjustment can enhance your coverage while maintaining essential protections. Consult a reputed insurance provider and make sure to read all the points before proving your sign. Number 13. Review and update your beneficiaries. Revising the beneficiaries on your financial accounts and insurance policies is essential for ensuring that your assets are allocated according to your preferences, minimizing the risk of legal issues or delays in distribution. Number 14. Opt out of promotional communications. Opting out of marketing emails can help minimize unnecessary spending impulses. This approach offers support by assisting you in managing your budget and minimizing impulsive spending. Number 15. Develop a strategy for managing and reducing your debt effectively. Develop a comprehensive strategy to address your outstanding debt. Organize your debts according to their interest rates and outstanding balances. Then, evaluate a repayment strategy, considering options like the avalanche or snowball method. This approach can enhance your focus and streamline your efforts to reduce debt, ultimately alleviating financial stress and boost you towards financial success. The debt avalanche method is a strategic approach to debt repayment that focuses on tackling debts with the highest interest rates first. This can lead to significant savings on interest payments and facilitate a quicker path to becoming debt-free. The strategy operates similarly to an avalanche, where you redirect all the funds previously allocated to one debt towards the next debt with the highest interest rate after settling the first one. The debt snowball method is also an effective strategy for managing debt repayment, focusing on eliminating debts starting with the smallest balance first and progressing to larger ones. This approach is frequently utilized to settle outstanding balances on revolving credit accounts, such as credit cards. You can use any of these methods to pay off your debt. Number 16. Discuss your financial matters with your spouse. It's a habit which I have been repeating since the past year. This not only enhances your internal trust, but also improves the understanding with your spouse. Gaining the support of your spouse in your financial achievement is very crucial and can be only gained if you discuss the financial matters with him or her. Now, Watch the video appearing on the right side to know the things you waste your money on but the rich avoid. Also, subscribe to our channel to know more amazing financial lessons and secrets to get rich.